All right, guys. It's Friday, June 1st, 2019. It is opening day of Get My Damn Chevelle Put Together season. So, I'm going to put my first wrench on your beautiful car right now and let healing begin. Okay? All right, here we go. I hope I can see what I'm doing here. I got to switch it. Turn this around, which I don't know how to do now. Huh. Well, I'll take a chance I'm recording the right thing. And here we are. That alternator. Nah, that's not working. That alternator needs to be moved over to the other side of the engine in there so that I can put the compressor of the new air conditioning where the alternator is. So here we go. First bolt removal of the Chevelle. 3, 2, 1, go. How's that? There we go. And that there